Hi, we are Andy and Rich, and welcome to our channel, Remembrance of the Past, where we will be visiting churches, war graves, pillboxes and bunkers.
We are in St Joseph's Catholic Church, Shirebrook. (54016) Private Henry Oates, died 21st of November 1919, aged 23. Also his brother 36611 Private John Peter, died 10th of March 1916, aged 24. Also found Wilford Arthur FRETWELL, died in the Great War 25th of May 1941, aged 22. We are in Shybrook Cemetery. T/1652983, driver Robert Parker, Royal Army Service Corps, died 8th of July 1944, aged 34. (4341887) Sergeant George Walter Huntington, OBE, the East Yorkshire Regiment, died 12th of September 1940, aged 32. T/368517 Private Thomas Cooper, died 15th of January 1920, aged 43. (7045-601) Fusilier ALFRED EDGAR HARGREAVES, the Royal Irish Fusiliers, died 29th of July 1941. 2062373 Corporal Dorothy PADLEY, died 27th of June 1944, aged 19.
Dorothy was a wireless transmitter slip reader. The building in which she was working was hit by a V1 bomb, killing her and 4 other women at the time.
John William Shaw, Stoker First Class, RMS Doubleton, died 15th of February 1945, aged 29. P.O. J/X104906 Marine George Harry Haywood, died 9th of October 1944, aged 38. (1488964) Gunner G.W. Jones, Royal Artillery, died 28th of December 1949, aged 38. (17645) Private James Roddie, died 12th of August 1916, aged 33.
James Roddie fought in France at the Fonquevillers sector. During heavy fighting, he unfortunately suffered fatal wounds.
J/13761 Private J.H. Chilton, Leicestershire Regiment, died 5th of April 1918. 5006 Private John William Hanstock, Machine Gun Corps Infantry, died 22nd of July 1916, aged 25.
John was a miner before the war. When he enrolled, he served as a private in the 62 Company Machine Gun Corps. He was wounded by an exploding shell in France in July 1916. The wound became gangrenous because of gas from the shell, and he was repatriated to England. He was brought to Chelmsford for medical treatment, but died at Chelmsford and Essex Hospital the day he arrived there.
116523 Private Sidney Crisp Green, Knoxland Derby Regiment, died 2nd of June 1919, aged 20. (632264) Leading Aircraftman Alfred Cooper, Royal Air Force, died 1st of September 1940, aged 19. 390208 Sergeant Charles William Carter, the Middlesex Regiment, died 31st of March 1943, aged 42. 14044166 Private E. Barlow, died 22nd of February 1947, aged 22. 2375602 Private James Edward Pullen, Pioneer Corps, died 23rd of July 1944, aged 41. 1420847 Signalman Bertram Robinson, Royal Signal, died 14th of September 1942, aged 22. 130800174 Private William James Meade, Corps of the Military Police, died 15th of June 1945, aged 32. 49800002 Private Frederick Roadley, the Sherwood Foresters, died 7th of April 1940, aged 23. 135862 Private Joshua Cross, Royal Army Medical Corps, died 21st of August 1919, aged 20. 48475 Private E. Burton, Leicestershire Regiment, died 21st of July 1918. 14098, Private John Johnson, Lincolnshire Regiment, died 14th of October 1915, aged 30. (21830), Private W. EASOM, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 25th of September 1916, aged 26.
Private EASOM enlisted at Shirebrook and served with the 9th Battalion Sherwood Foresters Regiment. He joined the 9th Battalion on Gallipoli, probably as a replacement for losses. He died of wounds received in battle.
(1514630), leading aircraftman John Clark, Royal Air Force, died 19th of July 1946. Lieutenant William Alexander Roberts, died 31st of July 1919. (745551), Sergeant Richard Whittington, BREWIN, pilot, Royal Air Force, died 29th of April 1941, aged 20.
Richard was flying his Hurricane aircraft in the No. 3 Squadron when it suddenly dived into the sea off Walton on the Naze. Nothing else is known.